Hello and welcome. I am Isufu Adam, CEO of Nexus Tech Africa, a member of the Sofico and Buddha Group Holding. So in this first video, we will see how to install the Umbuto iTrack platform to be able to use it from your computer without having to visit the platform's website each time. I want to clarify that you are not required to install the platform. You can use it online directly via the website umbutoitrack.com or use it on your computer and install it as an application or on your phone. So to install it, you will simply go to your browser, whether it's Microsoft Edge, Chrome, or Opera Mini, and type umbutoitrack.com just as it appears there. And then you launch it. Once you launch it, you're on the platform. You will click on the installation button here or on the pop-up that appears there. Say chassis, chassis. You click on install the application. When you click, your browser will ask you to confirm the installation of the application as an app on your smartphone, and you will click on install. Once you start the installation, you will also confirm and grant permissions if you want the applications to be pinned to the taskbar that is here. If you also want there to be a shortcut for the application, you check. And if you also want the application to start automatically as soon as you open your computer, your computer, you click here and select allow. Once that's done, we say, do you want to pin it? Yes, you confirm, and then you can uncheck this. So now you have the application installed on your smartphone, which you can use to access. And when we come here, you see the shortcut is directly created on my computer desktop. I can directly click and open my application and Umbuto iTrack on my computer or on my phone. On your smartphone, it's the same procedure. You open your browser and then go to the search bar. You simply type Umbuto iTrack and then you launch umbutoitrack.com. Once the platform appears, you simply have to click on the install the application button that appears here, or just press the three dashes here and click on install the applications. You are asked to confirm if you want to install the applications. You click install to confirm and the application is being installed. You will wait. Once the application is installed, you will see the notification here, Umbuto iTrack installed. You can click on it directly and the application will open on your phone directly, and you can find it on your phone's desktop and open it and do the same operation on the phone as on the computer for the videos that will follow.